teacher Shante, and we are here with...
My name is Napapasa Supashan. My name is Nonjakon Kunakonusmi. My name is Natapinyalo Tapanpipin.
What are we making today?
Peppa Pig, Laura Cotton. Peppa Pig, scissors, marbles, tape, plastic cups.
The first step for today, what are we going to do?
Paint the paper plate.
We just finished painting the paper plates. What is the next step?
Decorate the cup.
What is the next step?
Hang the paper plate.
Next, we'll stack the cups and tape them. Are you ready?
Yeah!
Now for the final part. It's time to assemble the roller coaster. Are you ready?
Let's go!
And this is our
Paper plate roller